In a quiet neighborhood, there lived a kind man named Tom, who regularly took out the trash for his elderly neighbor, Mrs. Jenkins, unaware of the loneliness that enveloped her days. One day, Tom decided to surprise Mrs. Jenkins with some flowers, hoping to brighten her day, and when she opened the door, her expression filled with warmth and appreciation. As they spent time together on the porch, laughter and stories flowed freely, forging a bond that reminded them both of the importance of connection in life. Tom soon began assisting Mrs. Jenkins in her garden, rediscovering the joy of nurturing life, while she shared her gardening wisdom and cherished memories. With each passing day, their friendship blossomed, bringing warmth into Mrs. Jenkins's home, where memories of laughter and companionship began to shine through once more. Their friendship flourished as they joined forces to attend a neighborhood block party, rekindling the spirit of community while sharing Mrs. Jenkins's delightful homemade treats. Inspired by their newfound friendship, Mrs. Jenkins decided to host a surprise garden festival, pouring her heart into creating a joyful celebration for the entire neighborhood. On the day of the festival, the garden transformed into a lively hub, as neighbors arrived to celebrate, filling the air with laughter and joy, all thanks to Mrs. Jenkins's thoughtful planning. Tom and Mrs. Jenkins joyfully served refreshments, watching as the community came together, bringing warmth and happiness that filled the atmosphere with laughter and cheer. As the festival continued into the evening, Mrs. Jenkins took a moment to express her heartfelt gratitude, reminding everyone how precious their connections truly are. In that moment of celebration, Tom and Mrs. Jenkins realized that their friendship had not only transformed their lives, but had also enriched the entire community. As the festival came to a close, they stood side by side, grateful for the love and light that their friendship had brought to the garden and their lives. While packing up, Mrs. Jenkins and Tom reflected on the day, realizing that the true treasure wasn't just in the festivities, but in the bonds formed and strengthened among neighbors. As they planted new flowers, the fading sunlight reminded them that every ending brings the promise of new beginnings, and their garden and friendship would continue to flourish. Amidst their gardening, they stumbled upon an old treasure chest, reminding them that life often holds hidden gems just waiting to be discovered. The discovery of the treasure sparked their curiosity, leading them to imagine the stories behind each item, deepening their bond as they unraveled the mysteries of the past together. That evening, they decided to document their adventure, crafting a scrapbook that combined memories of the festival with the thrill of their unexpected find. As darkness fell, the garden transformed into a magical realm, filled with laughter and creativity, where the two friends poured their hearts into preserving the memories they had created. With the scrapbook finished, they reveled in the beauty of their garden, proud of the memories made and eager to share their newfound treasure with their neighbors. As they shared their story, laughter and excitement filled the air, drawing everyone into the adventure of the hidden treasure that had united them all. The children's fascination turned into a spirited discussion, sparking dreams of becoming treasure hunters, while the adults reminisced about forgotten stories of their own. Inspired by their adventure, they decided to organize a community treasure hunt, bringing everyone together once again for a day of fun and exploration. The treasure hunt transformed the garden into a playground of joy, where every corner held excitement and memories were woven through shared laughter and discovery. From afar, Mrs. Jenkins and Tom relished the joy they had sparked in their community, knowing their discovery had brought everyone closer together. As the day concluded, the garden became a sanctuary of camaraderie, where stories were shared and bonds were strengthened over a delightful meal beneath the setting sun. With glasses raised, Mrs. Jenkins expressed her gratitude, celebrating not just the treasure, but the newfound friendships that blossomed through their shared adventure. As the stars twinkled above, the laughter of friends filled the air, each story weaving a deeper connection among them, illuminated by the warmth of the flickering fire. With heartfelt smiles, Mrs. Jenkins gifted each child a keepsake, creating lasting memories that would mark the beginning of many more adventures to come. As the evening unfolded, the garden transformed into a lively playground for the children and a hub of friendship for the adults, fostering dreams of future gatherings. With excitement bubbling in the air, Tom and his friends began to draft ideas for their next quest, eager to explore new mysteries hidden within their community. As the evening drew to a close, Mrs. Jenkins felt a deep sense of fulfillment, knowing that the day had not just been about treasures, but about building a stronger